All right. Welcome to Healthy Kids Inc. I'm Mandy Curry and I'm here with Chef Joe, and we are going to demonstrate making homemade pizza dough. It's a little tricky and a little messy, but it comes out. All right, so we've taken all of our dry ingredients, which is our flour and a little bit of sugar.
We have salt as
and
well.
Salt. And we've mixed it with our wet ingredients, which is two yeast packets, water, some olive oil. And if you have a large KitchenAid mixer, you can surely mix your dough in that.
I'm so in love with you. Whatever you want to do is all